Hey guys, and welcome back to Bad Luck Garage. Today we are doing another product review and installation. Now if you guys remember, several videos back we actually did a headlight conversion on our Turbo C10. So we swapped out the seal beam headlights for some H4 headlight housings. In that process we also converted the wiring harness, put a relay harness in, and just to make sure that we didn't burn out any switches or anything like that. Well, in that video, I had actually mentioned the possibility that I may be trying out some LED headlights in the future. I was actually planning on purchasing a set, but that wasn't necessary. This company, Auxbeam, decided to contact me and ask me about reviewing their product. Now, the only stipulation for me reviewing this was, it had to be an honest review, and they were fine with that. You guys know when I install something on this channel, if it's crap, I call it crap. If it's good, I call it good. So they were down with that. I was down with it, and I just received this in the mail today. Auxbeam is actually a company that's been doing this for, to my knowledge, a few years now. You can buy these on eBay, you can buy these on Amazon, and they also have a website, auxbeam.com. These are the S series. And of course these are the H4 bulbs because that's what our conversion housings use. These are actually their lower level. I believe these are around $30. Don't quote me on that. That could be a little more, a little less, but I have went to their website after they contacted me, and I've noticed that they've got everything from the S series, which is their lower level, to mid-level. There's actually a series below this, but they've got the S series, and they've got all the way up to like the W series, which is close to $100. So they've pretty much got every price point covered. So now that I've kind of told you what it is, we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. All right. I want to say first off, guys, this isn't, I really don't think these are like, your typical little eBay. I've ordered stuff from eBay, lots from eBay, and you get them in a little baggie and a generic package. These are actually packaged really well. Come with a couple decals, Auxbeam decals. That's pretty neat. Look like they might actually be reflective, but that's cool. We'll stick those on the old toolbox. Also in the package, we have this little package. Which looks to be contact information, support. Well, that's cool. I've actually got all their contact information on this card here, and an instruction manual, and we got a warranty card. All right, guys. So apparently these actually have a warranty as well. Good to know. Now moving right along, we have the lights themselves, and keep in mind, like I said, these are the lower level, so I'm not sure if they actually have the cooling fans in them. They definitely have really large heat sinks, but these are H4 bulbs, so they have high beam and low beam all on the same bulb. These are also supposed to be 6,000 K, I believe. It says somewhere on the box I read 6,000 K. Yeah, on the back of the box. These actually, initially, they feel like they're built pretty solid. And of course, you've got the little plug here. It just plugs into a H4 style socket for your headlights. So that's really all I have to say about holding the product. The back of the box here, yes, it says pure white light, 6,000 K. So that's cool because the halogen bulbs that I'm currently using in the turbo truck are 5,000 K, I believe. 6,000 will be good. That should be just a really bright white light, like right on the edge of blue. Da-da-da. Let's see what else we got here. 50,000 hours without color fading. I just want to hit on that for just a minute, guys. 50,000 hours, just to put that in perspective, if you were to turn these on and power them up and never shut them off for 5 years, that's 50,000 hours. So by that standard, even if you drive your vehicle with the headlights on for say 2 or 3 hours a day, if these live up to their standards, you should never have to buy another headlight for your car. All right, we've looked them over. Let's go put them in. All right, guys, so if this was a factory application, you would actually be able to do this in the vehicle. But since this is a retrofit kit into an older vehicle, it is required that I remove the headlight housing. That actually works out to our benefit because, well, to be honest, it's just a lot easier to record this right here on the table than it would be if I was trying to hold the camera at an awkward angle inside the engine bay. So this is pretty simple, guys. All you're going to do is remove your factory bulb. In this case, we have an H4 bulb. So we just pinch our tabs, lift this up. We're going to pull our old bulb out like so. Now we're going to take our Auxbeam bulb. We are going to twist the collar, slide the bulb out. We then place our mounting collar right where the old bulb used to be. Use our little locking tabs to lock it into place. We take our Auxbeam bulb, put it in, back into the collar. Notice there's 2 slots there, and you've got 2 tabs. You just line those tabs up, twist it 45 degrees, and it is locked in place. You've just installed your Auxbeam LED headlights. Now, since I kind of got ahead of myself, if you have a moisture seal like this, then that needs to be installed, of course, before you screw the Auxbeam bulb in. So we'll stick that back on here, and it should kind of go around the collar of the bulb, around the whole assembly there, and it does. Then we stick our LED bulb in. It's going to take a little more force and twist, and yeah, we're definitely sealed now. That we've got that installed, we're going to go reinstall our headlights in the truck and check out the patterns. Coming from the sealed beam headlights that were originally installed on my 74 C10, going from that to the upgraded relay harness and the H4 bulbs, you know, with the aftermarket housings, was a huge improvement. So when Auxbeam contacted me and offered to send me these LED headlight bulbs, I really didn't expect that big of a difference. But guys, it's night and day. These LED bulbs, and this is one of their lower lines too, guys. These are the S series, which is one of their cheaper lines of LED bulbs. But these things are every bit as bright as the HID bulbs in my wife's 2011 Camaro RS. So really impressed. Of course, for me, the ultimate test is going to be if they hold up over time. And I probably will do an update video after about 6 months or so, and just to kind of see how these are going. But the single biggest reason in my mind to switch to these would be just the amount of life, the 50,000 hour life. I mean, as long as no moisture or anything gets in these, you should never have to replace these again in your lifetime, unless you drive 12 hours a night every night for about 5 or 10 years. I don't know how long that would take. But yeah, guys, as far as I can tell, these are great bulbs. I may be picking up another set to try in my Avalanche. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and recommend these. So there'll be a link to these, at least to the eBay site, in the description. But you can also pick these up on the Auxbeam.com website. For $36, I think these are a great deal, even the lower level. But, you know, they make them all the way up to a $100 option that has cooling fans and different things. So definitely check these out. Recommend you get a set if you're looking to upgrade. You want to try out some LED headlights. this is definitely the way to go. For more product reviews, you can click on the product reviews and installations playlist on my YouTube channel. If you want to check out anything else like footage of the Turbo C10 or our Project 54 Chevy, there are playlists for those as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to click like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time here on Bad Luck Garage.